Hey everyone, it's me Payal and thank you so much for joining with me. If you are watching me for the first time, then I make videos related art, craft, DIY and decoration. If you are into it, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So Valentine Day is almost here and I'm going to share with you my first Valentine's Day project. In this video, I'll be sharing how to make this beautiful mixed media layout. You can see it looks so gorgeous. This one is a perfect gift for the Valentine's Day. You can also put the pictures and you can gift this thing to your loved one. And I'm going to put all the material list in the description box. So yeah, let's start. So first I'm going to use 9x9 each printed papers from Be Mine collection from a Dress My Craft, and after that I'm going to use this basic circle dies from a Dress My Craft, and I'm going to make a circle in the center of this printed paper with the help of this circle dies. So it's gonna look like this, and after that I'm going to stick all these papers together according to the size of circle dies, and for that I'm going to use two-side tape to give some dimension on my layout. So my first layer would be the smallest circle dies. So first I'm going to stick that paper on my base paper like this. So I already distressed the circle of my first layer, and after that I'm going to distress circle of my another layer. So for that I'm going to use scissor. You can also distress it with the distressing tool, and then I'm going to stick my second layer on the top of the base. And the same way I'm going to stick my third layer on the top of my base. So in this way I created this gorgeous background with the help of papers. So after that I'm going to do some embossing on my layout. So for that I'm going to use Dress My Craft Distress Hard Stencil, and I'm applying this clear gel on the top of the stencil like this. And after that I'm going to use this gold embossing powder, and I'm just sprinkling this powder on the clear gel. And after that I'm going to use heat gun to emboss the powder properly. So you can see it looks like this. It looks so beautiful. And then I'm going to use heart border punch from a Dress My Craft, and I'm just randomly punch it on a leftover paper. I'll use this border in my background. So in this way I'm using the small part of this borders on the edges of my circle, and it looks so beautiful. It will give some dimension on my background. So that's why I'm using these borders like this. After that I'm going to use Dress My Craft tag punch, and the best thing about this tag punch is that you can make a tag of 2 inch, you can make a tag of 1.5 inch, you can make a tag of 2.5 inch. So first I'm going to make a tag with the 2-inch paper, and I'm just to punch it like this, and it's very easy to make a tag. I just love this product. So I can use this tag in my background, and after that I'm going to use this ribbon, and I'm just randomly stick this ribbon on the layout like this. So after that I'm going to use all these fussy cuts which I cut it from the Dress My Craft Be Mine collection motif sheet, and I'm going to use all these elements on my project here and there to give some proper look of my layout. And after that I'm going to stick my tag. So for that I'm using this sky blue ribbon, and I'm just tying this ribbon on the top of the tag like this. And I'm doing the same with both of the tag, and then I'm going to stick my tag with the help of double side tape. This way the background of my layout is ready. Now I'm just playing with all the fussy cuts from the same motif sheet, and I'm sticking all these elements here and there to give nice proper look of my layout. So it's time for the focal point. So for the focal point I'm going to use this beautiful couple statue from the same paper collection, and I'm going to stick it like this, and then I'm going to play around with all these fussy cuts from the motif sheet. In this way my layout is ready. I hope you like it. This is the best gift for the Valentine's Day, and if you like this video then make sure you hit the like button. So that's all about today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, if you have any question, then just comment below, and I'll see you with my new tutorial. Till then,